AI offers numerous opportunities for generating income across various industries. One popular method is developing AI-powered content creation tools, such as graphic design software, automated video editors, or AI writing assistants, which cater to businesses and individuals looking to save time. Freelancers can leverage AI tools to streamline their work, offering services like logo design, blog writing, or video editing at scale. In e-commerce, entrepreneurs use AI-driven recommendation systems to boost sales by providing personalized product suggestions. AI can also enhance customer support with chatbots that handle inquiries 24/7, improving user experience and reducing costs. The field of data analysis is another lucrative area. Businesses pay handsomely for AI-powered insights to optimize operations or forecast trends. Developers can build and sell custom AI models to meet specific business needs, such as fraud detection or inventory management. AI also thrives in the education sector, where creating online courses or tutoring systems with adaptive learning algorithms can attract students globally. Lastly, AI consulting services are in high demand as companies seek to integrate AI into their workflows. By combining creativity with AI technology, you can tap into its vast potential to create sustainable income streams.